better to love than to give into hate.
Hey loves, welcome to my channel. My name is LaVonne Tanisha. If this is your first time coming to my channel, please hit subscribe. If you watch my videos all the time, thank you for watching. Also remember to hit the notification bell so you can see when I upload new videos. In this video, this makeup look that I created is inspired by Valentine's Day. It's the pink and purple ombre look, eyes and lips. February is Black History Month and it's also the month of love. I thought it would be cool to create, you know, this more dramatic ombre look. If you want to see how I created this look, please stay tuned and let's get into the video. My eyebrows are already done. I have sculpted my brows. I used the concealer to clean it up underneath. I do have a video on how to sculpt your eyebrows. You can check that out here. If you do not like that look, that's fine. You can just fill it in without using the concealer. So next I'm gonna go into my eyeshadow primer. This is the Louise eyeshadow primer. of the video I'm going to off because these lashes right here are by Camille Cosmetics. She happens to be my niece. She sells these online. This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I think it turned out well. I have not done a full glam face like this in a long time, so it was really fun to create for you. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.